Hip hip.
This is the toilet.
Welcome to Excellent. Please press button to close and lock door.
Amazing. Looks like we're in the spaceship. Whoa.
Door locked. Your maximum use time is 10 minutes. Press button to unlock door.
Can you hear that? And with the music. Amazing. And then you need to press this for the tissue after you pee or poo. Look. Isn't that amazing? Very high tech. Look at that. This is the changing table. And then, says here, toilet will flush when hands are washed or when the cubicle is vacated. Trash disposal. And then, look, this is very amazing. Put the water. You hear that? It's flush now. Water. And then, water. Amazing. Everything is infrared. There's still soap in my hands. And then, dryer. Amazing. And then, let's go out. Just press these.
Door is unlocked.
Right. Can you hear that? Thank you.